Hi! In front of me is CAT S40 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into Play Store. Now you need to tap on the search bar and type sound recorder. After that, download this free app, this one, from this developer and open it. Now click on Continue. And click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to end your recording and save it, click on the right button over here. And as you can see, mine was successfully created. In order to save it properly, you need to click on Save at the top right corner. Now my recording is here. You can always delete it though by clicking on those three dots next to the current name and choose Delete. Then confirm your choice by tapping on Delete one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!